Today I'm totally excited. I just got my most recent box from Omaha Steaks. Now if you're not familiar with Omaha Steaks is a meat and meal delivery service. Most known for their burgers and their steaks. They also sell a lot of other products that are like pre-cooked meals. So this whole box, I got a whole bunch of crazy stuff. And it cost me right around $140. They're selling Omaha Steaks on Amazon now, so I'll put an affiliate link in the description of this video that will bring you there, and you can check out all the deals they're having. Let's take a look inside a couple of these. First thing we got is beef top sirloin steaks. These are the butcher's cut. So they're going to be their higher end steaks. We'll trim them a little more neatly. As you can see, they come really nicely trimmed already. So the butcher's cut definitely come nicely trimmed. Let's get this over here. Oh, they also come with a little handy grilling chart so your internal temperature, so you can see if you want your steak rare or medium rare. Omaha Steaks also has some videos online showing you how to cook their stuff. So let's move this over here. Give me a second while I get all this stuff unboxed and see what we have. All right, let's just keep working through the box. First thing we got is Omaha Steak Burgers. Now, if you haven't had this, they recently reformulated their if you haven't had the new ones yet, they recently reformulated their recipe. So we're gonna give those a try a little later on in the video. Next, we got beef tenderloin steaks. All right, so our filet mignon. These ones are bacon wrapped fillets. Cooking instructions. So you can see, still frozen, wrapped in bacon. I'm going to put those right in a frying pan and grill those bad boys up to a nice medium rare. Next thing we have is bonus item. We got chicken. Omaha Steaks will ship you nice trimmed chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast. Those are ready to cook. Well, you thaw them out and they're just ready to go straight in the pan. All right, what do we got next? Next we have scalloped potatoes and caramel apple tartettes. Okay, so besides just steaks and burgers, Omaha Steaks doesn't look like fun. Omaha Steaks also sends side dishes and desserts. So these are little like baked, or not baked potato, like hash brown potato casseroles. They can use as a side dish. It also comes with little caramel apple tartettes, like little apple pies. Next we got, oh okay, so this was a little bonus they threw in for when I ordered. This is going to be more Omaha Steak burgers. Then we have more of the caramel apple tartettes. It's in this big box. Okay, cool. This is something I haven't tried yet, so I'll have to cook these up and see how they come out. These are pork loin back ribs. So baby back ribs, 2 half racks. 1 half-pound racks. Look nice and trim. They look clean. Here we go. Omaha Steaks baby back ribs. Let those thaw out. See how they cook up. Alright, a couple more boxes here. So there's more boneless, skinless chicken breast. And I'm guessing what I haven't seen yet is my hot dogs. Now, Omaha Steaks hot dogs, people do really seem to like. It's the middle of winter, so these might stay in my freezer for a while. So I like to do them on the grill, but they are jumbo. They all beef? Nope, there's pork in there, so not for everybody, but they are delicious jumbo hot dogs. All right, so stick around. We're gonna cook some of this stuff up and see how it comes out. Thanks for watching.
Now the first thing we're going to get on the griddle is these Omaha Steak burgers. This is how they look when they are thawed out. Or I'm sorry, they're still frozen. Coming out of the package, we're just going to put them straight on the griddle. Then we're going to go ahead and hit them with some Blackstone Griddle salt, pepper, garlic. There'll be a link, an affiliate link in the description of the video so you can get this off Amazon. If you want to try it out, it's the official seasoning from the Blackstone Griddle. And we're going to go ahead and let them cook. Go ahead, give them a couple minutes and see how they come out. So the burgers are about halfway done. We got them flipped, so we're going to hit them with some cheese. First we're going to put on some American cheese. Then maybe we'll make a couple with Hervati if anyone likes that. And then it looks like the burgers are done, so let's go ahead and put them on our buns. We're going to put them on the buns and maybe add a little bit of bacon. Let's go ahead and get them going so that we can give them a little taste test. Cheese looks good. The burgers are firm. Cheese looks real good, actually. Let's grab some bacon to put on the burgers. Some fried onions, those are for later. We're going to go ahead and build these. Then we're going to go give them a little taste test. Like I said, there's a link in the description of the video that'll take you right on Amazon to the burgers, or to the Amazon stores where you can buy the burgers online. All right, to me, I think they look pretty good myself. Let's have someone try one out. Yep, they are absolutely delicious. All right, next thing we're going to put on the griddle are these fillets. We have these thawed out. They look good. They are bacon wrapped. This come out of the package pretty easily. Just going to get them right on our already warmed up griddle. And just give them a few minutes on each side. We're going to turn them and sear them, make sure the bacon's seared. Oh, maybe I need some scissors to get these ones out. Alright, let's check back in a second. Alright, so the steaks have been done. We got them seared up, but they've been flipped a couple times. Same thing, we used just the salt, pepper, garlic from Blackstone Griddles. We'll have a link to that. You can find that on Amazon too. Like I said, it's an affiliate link, so we do make a little bit of commission off that. Let's go ahead and give these steaks a try. I'm being a little manly today, so no fork. We're just going to bite right in. And yep, the bacon, we could look baked a little more, but they are delicious. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out more videos.